following is an excerpt from How to Make Quick, Easy Extra Money, our free report for those who want and need a fast, proven, virtually guaranteed way to make money online. Chapter 3. Blind Alleys, Bad Roads, Broken Dreams. As we've said above, there are many fast and easy ways to make a few bucks. There are even many different ways to make real money too. But the difference between these two things is almost the gulf between stars. The end result is that most people who go online in an attempt to make money fail, as in miserably. Why? Well, because they don't know what they're doing and/or they're following bad information. They don't usually even have a marketing plan. And this is not their fault, because unless you're a professional marketer, you wouldn't know how to put one together even if you knew you needed one. But not having a marketing plan doesn't mean you can't succeed either. It's just not the way big operations do things. That's okay though, because we're not talking about launching a new division of Ford here or doing an IPO like Facebook did a few years back. No, we're talking about a shoestring operation, certainly by comparison. Just follow our lead and you'll be fine. You've just heard an excerpt from How to Make Quick, Easy Extra Money. You can get the entire report 100% free by visiting our site. How to Make Quick, Easy Extra Money is a 30-page, 4,500-word report which will show you how to turn a part-time gig or side hustle into a highly profitable business in short order. We could charge big bucks for this report, and we may yet, since it will save you a ton of time and money. But you can get it 100% free if you act now, before we change our minds, pull it from the market, or put a hefty price tag on it. So go to our site and grab it now. This video may have a clickable link that will take you there. If you don't see one, the link may be in the description box. Failing that, simply type the link shown into your browser and hit return. Before you go, would you please give us a like and/or subscribe? After subscribing on YouTube, you can press the bell icon and you'll be automatically notified of future web marketing, how-to, and make money online type videos, free reports, giveaways, contests, and more. We'd love it if you'd share the video too. Feel free to share the report once you get your copy. This is Carl signing off for now. Drop by our site if you have any questions. Best of luck! We give away valuable freebies monthly, so be sure to visit our site to win. If you dug this video, please give us a like, comment, or share. Follow, subscribe to get notification of cool new stuff. Thanks for watching.